how to create a free landing page for affiliate marketing. Just give me 15 minutes of your time. I'm going to review exactly how you can create a simple landing page like this with headline, image, and call to action. So please ensure to watch from beginning to the end. And more importantly, this video is for every affiliate marketer that are just starting in with affiliate marketing, so and they don't really have huge amount of money to pay for a funnel builder like System.io. Although System.io offer a free plan, you can actually get up, you can build up to 3 landing page with this platform. So you can build up to 3 landing page, but if after 3 landing page you are going to be upgraded automatically. So and more importantly, the worst part is if you are subscribing for Clickfunnels, you are going to be paying a huge amount of $80 per month and $247 per month. So it's not advisable for a beginner. So that is the reason why you really need this particular platform that I'm going to review in this video. So the platform that I'm going to review is called card.co. So card.co. So this is a platform that have a variety of page builder. So this platform is much okay. Everything is free. You are not paying anything to create a landing page on this platform. So for you to get started, I'm going to drop a link. So it's going to be the first link in the description. So ensure to use this link so that you'll be able to register and follow up with the tutorial. So you have to click on starting point. Let's see all the template this particular platform have. So as you can see, we have arrays of templates on this platform. So the templates are more like one page website builder. So you can choose a lot of templates on this platform. They have a lot. So right now, for you to get started on this platform, you have to register. So let's choose a particular template. So I'm going to choose this one to be able to start. So select. So it's going to process the Canva. Then okay, got it. So this is the Canva, but notwithstanding, you have to register first before you can build on this platform. So let's go back to register so that I'll show you exactly how you can register on this platform. So for us to register, I'm going to go back to be able to register. So I'm going to go back over here, then wait for it to load so that I'll walk you through the entire process of how you can register on card.co. So right now I'm going to click on login. So login to be able to register. So login, then I will now sign up for the account on the platform. So it's trying to load up. So as you can see, this is the sign up form. So for a new beginner, you just have to click on sign up so that you are going to fill in your details, your name, your email, your password, and you confirm your password. Then you register the account and you get the account free. You don't really require any credit card, or you have to put in your anything. So let me go back to be able to log into my account so that we are going to create the landing page for free. So I'm going to log in. So these are the landing page I've created for free on this platform. So I've created the 2 landing page already. So I'm going to click on a new site. So I'm going to click on new site to be able to create another landing page. As you can see, choose a starting point. So you can either create from a scrap or you can choose a template. So let's try to find a template you are going to use that is going to be more similar with the demo I show you at the beginning of this video. So right now I'm going to choose this particular demo. So let me click on select. So there are a lot of demos over here, so you can choose a lot of, but I'm just going to choose this one. So this is the demo. This particular platform, card.co, is just like drop and drag a page builder. So you can actually drag any element you actually want. So this is the image element. And also, so if you check this menu bar, we have text, we have image. You can just drag this particular text and drag it to this particular box. So we have list, we have button. There are a lot of icons as a drop and drag page builder. Just try to copy this image. So I'm going to save this image to my computer. So save image. Then I'm going to come over to the image bar. So then drag the image over here. So then stretch it over. So then apply. So I'm going to apply it. Accept. So as you can see, the image is somehow blur. I'm going to make sure that the image is much okay. So as you can see, I've dragged the image inside. So you can actually adjust the image. This is the image description. So you can actually link a link to the image. So there are a lot of options under the image. So you can also try to make the image, like try to make it more center aligned, try to increase the shape, the border. So there are a lot of options over here. So like, you know, I don't really need any amendment. So if I want to amend, I can make it to be okay. Let's check it on mobile. So you can, let's preview it on mobile to see if it's actually okay on mobile. So it seems that the image is much, like we can stretch it over. So I'm going to go over to mobile version. So this is auto. I'm going to go to manual so that we'll be able to stretch the image. So as you can see, we can actually stretch it over. Then let's go to the height. So we can choose to stretch it over. I think we are good to go with the image. So the next one, let's go back to desktop version. So the next one, the preview of the landing page, is the title. So the title is LD lightning system. So I'm going to copy the title, then come over to this place. So I'm going to enter the title over here. If you want to enter the title, you just have to click on it, then come over here and paste the title. So this platform, they are much like code. You have to enter this code. So 2# is for you to make the content bold. So I'm going to type in 2#. So 2#. So the content is going to be more bolder. I want to delete this element. So you are going to click on it, then scroll down, then click on delete. So as you can see, we have only this one. So right now, let's try to make some amendment to the letter because it's somehow big. So we want to make amendment. So you can decrease or increase the size. So we can decrease the size or the width. So let's can leave it like that. It's much okay. I think we are good to go. So the next one is to copy the text. So this is the text. This is the text. We can copy the text, copy, then come over to this box. So we are going to paste it over here again. So as you can see, we have to click on text to be able to paste the text over here. So we are going to paste the text, then we are good to go. This text is quite small, so we can actually increase the size. All we have to do is just to come to this particular text, this LD whitening system make you appear 10 years younger. So it's very small, so we can actually make it more bigger a little bit. So all we have to do is just to come over here, then choose either paragraph or heading. So we can choose text, you can choose subtitle. So for us to make it more smaller or more bigger, you just have to come over to the brush icon. So you have to scroll down a little bit. So then you can see we have size and we have weight. So we can actually increase the size and decrease the size. So I think we should just leave it like this. Then the next one is for us to add a call to action. So I'm going to delete this one because this one is not really much. It doesn't really have anything. You just have to click on it, then click on delete. So we are going to delete it permanently. So the next one is adding a call to action. So our call to action is click here for more. So I'm going to copy click here for more, then come over again. So I'm going to click on edit, then this is the call to action that is available over there. So I'm going to change the call to action to instead of email me, I'm going to choose to click on click here for more. Click here for more. So I'm going to change the icon to probably like download. So there are a lot of icons. We have apparel, we have arts, we have calendar. So I'm going to choose probably check. So check. So check, or I think check is okay. So we can choose check or any icon you really want to choose. So you can choose anyone. So likewise, my affiliate links. Let me check. This is my affiliate link. So I'm going to copy this. This is my affiliate link. If you want to get this affiliate link, you can actually promote a product on ClickBank or Digistore or JVSU. So there are a lot of affiliate network you actually register on and get your affiliate link. So I'm going to paste my affiliate link over here. So this is the URL. I'm going to paste it. So we are good to go. We are good to go. So right now it doesn't really resemble the home page, as because this particular titles are the top of the image. So we are going to drag this at the top, so just like this, as you can see. So we actually drag it to the top, but it's like it's more bigger than the entire page. So you are going to click on it to reduce it a little bit. So all you have to do is just to click here, then come over to the appearance, then we are going to reduce the size a little bit. So I think we are good to go. So if you like this kind of content, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also help me to share this video to be able to make it go more viral. You know, it helped me to grow here, and it will also encourage me to produce more content like this. So I think we are good to go. We don't really need much things to do. So now the next thing is for us to publish our landing page. For us to publish the landing page, we just have to click on here, this save button. So we have to click on the save button, then choose a title. So I'm going to copy this title, LD whitening system. Copy this title, then paste the title. So likewise, we can write a description because it's required. You can write a description which actually want. So you can actually use this description, this LD make yours. So we can actually use this description. So let me copy the description, go over here. So I'm going to use this description to be able to make sure I got it published. So come over here, then paste it again. Then we are going to choose the page. Actually, like if you want a custom domain name, you have to upgrade. So but later I'm going to show you the pricing for upgrading if you want to upgrade to pro plan. So it is until you upgrade to pro plan that you'll be able to change your custom domain name. So right now let me choose this particular, okay, let me choose a particular text I'm going to use, probably LD whitening system. So I'm going to copy it, then come over to the URL, then paste it. So but one important thing is that on the system they don't allow capital letter, so you have to ensure that you erase any capital letter, change it to small letter. So I'm going to change everything to small letter. So as you can see, after changing the letters to a small letter, like I can be able to publish this website. So right now I'm going to publish the website to make it go live and be able to use our landing page to promote our affiliate link and our affiliate products. You know, landing page is much more important whenever someone is trying to do affiliate marketing, because if you are direct linking on Google ad or Bing ad, there's high chances that later on they are going to suspend our ad account. So it's more advisable for us to use a landing page. So as you can see, it's okay, site successfully published. So let's check our site to see and to compare to the original one we show you at the beginning of this video. So let's try to load up. So as you can see, it's more like the one I show you at the beginning of this video. So it's more like it. And if we click on the link, if you click on click here to learn more. So there is mistake with click, so I'm going to edit it later. So it's going to redirect us to the affiliate page directly. So right now we have saved a lot of money, you know, trying to get a landing page that is more expensive like System.io and Clickfunnels. You know, it helps us to save a lot of money. But right now, if you want to use there's limitation also on this platform, Card.co. So you are only limited to 3 landing page. So after 3 landing page, you are required to subscribe. So let me go back. So let me go back to the dashboard to show you what's required for you to be using this platform and compare the pricing of the pro version. So this is my dashboard. So I'm going to click on upgrade to pro account. So it's going to load up the pro account. So this is actually the pro light plan. We have standard plan and we have pro plus. So on the pro light, you have is $8 per year, unlike you trying to use System.io, which is $27 per month. So you can actually get this website builder actually for free. So it's $8 per year, and this pro standard is 17, which is a 10 site. You can actually build up to 10 sites on this website, and also $44, which is the pro plus. So we have 25 sites. You can actually link it up with your custom domain name and allow you to add subscription form. You can actually embed your subscription form widgets and different tools you can actually use when you subscribe. So it's one of the investments as a someone that's starting affiliate marketing to actually invest in. So it help you to save a lot of money. You use the remaining money you're supposed to spend on page builder to run ads. I hope this content help you one way or the other to make decision on the free landing page you have to use. Thanks for watching this video. Ensure to subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye.